how accurate is the SneakPeek test? Now, SneakPeek is over 99% accurate as early as 6 weeks. It uses what's called non-invasive prenatal technology, where it analyzes fetal DNA that naturally begins to shed from the placenta into the maternal bloodstream very soon after conception. Now, this is DNA-based, so very different from urine-based, hormone-based fetal sex tests. Those are entertainment only. There are no fetal sex markers in urine, and changes in hormone levels do not indicate fetal sex either. Now, SneakPeek is the #1 OBGYN-recommended fetal sex test. It's recommended 6-to-1 by OBs. Physicians love this because the data is clinically proven. There are 7 clinical studies now that have been published and validated through the peer review process. So if you don't want to wait for your ultrasound to get an accurate result, you can take SneakPeek. It's an easy test you can do right from the comfort of home, and over 1 million moms have trusted the SneakPeek test. So if you want to learn more, visit sneakpeektest.com or contact us with questions. We are always happy to help, and we can't wait to support you throughout your pregnancy journey.